So, good morning, tubers. Good afternoon, good evening, or whatever part of the day it is. This is my day too. It's Friday now. I had to stop working on it because it was just way too damn hot in the garage. I think it was 108 in the garage. So we got one side tie rod done. I just got to tighten it down after we make some adjustments, and we got to do the other side. Let me show you how side one looks. So if you didn't already know, what I'm doing is I'm changing the tie rod ends, and I changed the steering shock stabilizer. There's a dead spot in there about 3 inches that goes and it sticks and then goes free. I think that's one of the reasons why my steering was bad, other than this botched lowering job that the previous owner did. Now, tie rod ends fit on the top side. They go into the knuckle. But when you lower these Super Beetles, you have to drill out the spindle and flip that sucker to the other side. You gotta use this piece. Oh, I got so much crap. I gotta do garage cleaning. And you gotta put one of these bushings in there. So we gotta do that to side number 2. Now flipped upside down. We got the shock in there. I don't know if you can see the shock or not. It's a pain in the ass when you can't reach cotter pins and stuff. So yeah. Next thing for the front end we're going to be doing when I have some time and some money is raising the adjustable top line 1 notch up, and maybe ball joints. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. It's on the other side. But yeah, see, it's going into the top. We're gonna make that so it goes into the bottom, and hopefully my bump steer will be better. Now the fun begins. Now we gotta break all that shit free. Huh. Let's see if you can see it bent. You can see where it actually hits. Right there next to the brake line, it hits right there. The other side was worse. And you can see it bent. All right, back to work we go. Okay. Well, you ain't gonna be able to see me get the inside one, so let me get the inside one off. This is gonna be a bitch because it's got a cotter pin in it. And we'll be back. So yeah, like, that's the one with the cotter pin I gotta get out. The other side, the master cylinder was kind of in the way. That was a little bit harder. And I broke it. So I have to just use the air ratchet to shear it off the rest of the way. Hey, I got it. Is that the one? I don't think that's the one. I don't know. Oh, not the one. Yay. And I don't really care if I destroy those things, so let me just pound them out. I have a pickle fork and a hammer, so we'll get those out here and we'll get back to starting to drill out this spindle. Okay, so we got that off. That was a pain in the ass after I have to go to a friend's house and get another tool. We had to get the air hammer, which didn't work all that much. I just kept pounding and pounding and got it out. Well, anyways, there's the spindle knuckle. And we're going to start off with a 1/2-inch drill bit. This one will go inside. This one will get rid of the taper. We'll do that. And then we're going to jump it up to a 5/8. So we can put the bushing in there and put the tire rod in from underneath. All right, so hang on and let me set this up. We'll get some of this footage. This ain't the fun part, I can tell you that. Well, it is most likely I'm going to be in your way, but we'll try. We will try. Oh, you also missed the fun. After I got the inner tire rod off, the pickle fork landed on my WD-40 and it was like a cartoon. It was spinning all over the place. It sprayed me, sprayed underneath the car, so underneath the car is protected. Oh, stay tight. Stay tight. Oh, well, that was the easy part. That was the easy part. That sucker's hot. Hot, hot. Well, like I said, this is going to take some time, folks. And I know you don't want to sit here and watch all this. I'll show you when I get close to the end. Whew! This sucker's smoking. Woo! There we go. It's through. about that. All right, now let me get this mess down here cleaned up before I lay back on the ground and start putting that in. I don't want any metal slivers in my back, so give me a second, folks. Excuse me. No lock, no cotter pins on the new stuff. Just nylock washers. And like I said, I don't know if you can see it, but there's the bushing. We'll take this sucker off. Bloop. That sucker in there. Like I said, that's how you do the flip kit. That's the flip kit right there. You just put the little bushing on, then put it in from the underside after you drill it all out. Enough. And hopefully that's just about where we need it. I hope. Yep. That's not what I want to do. Take that sucker off. Feels nice. Feels nice. All right, now I got to go clean up all the WD-40 off all of this crap. And I got to tighten up the other side and the inner. But that's how you do the flip kit, folks. So after I'm done here, we'll get it outside and we'll see if my toes in or out is good. And hopefully we can drive it tonight. What do you think? All right, so I know you can't see it, but we made it out here to Rancho and Craig. And as you can see, it is light tonight. But it's 100% better, but not 100%, if that makes any sense. I still got to adjust the toe in. They're towed out a little bit. I got to tow them in. It's got a hair pull to the right, but it's definitely better than it was before. This is also something I did today. I don't know if you can see it, but I bedline sprayed the trunk area. So, yep, we made it to the cruise, and just wanted to tell everybody no morning video because the temperature is just too dang hot. We have a cruise tomorrow night. I may get some footage on, but I don't think I'm going to go live in the morning. It's going to be hit and miss. It depends on the temperature, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to take the morning off. So thank you all again for checking it out and seeing how I did the flip kit on the tie rods. And we will see you sometime tomorrow, folks. Rodder Files out.